You're listening to another AppleVis podcast.
Hello, AppleVis. This is Ornella Jagdeo, and today I will be demonstrating Blindfold Fireworks. The app is open.
Skip button.
And I am on where I can see the list of games. I'm going to skip that, where you can enable or disable that in settings, where you can see all the list of games that are developed by kid-friendly software.
Our other game. Skip button. Skip. Blindfold Fireworks menu. Welcome to Blindfold Fireworks. To instructions, tap the help button. Start game button.
Okay, there's this start game.
Help button.
Help. This would give you a user guide of the gestures as well as how to display the fireworks or how to play the game in general.
Settings button.
Settings. If you have most or all of the blindfold games, it's very similar, and I'll probably go through them quickly.
Settings. Heading. Use braille display instead of speaking. Now it is off.
Okay, so if you have a braille display, you can use that.
Repeat message if it wasn't spoken. About. Heading. Version 1.0.4. Version 1. Learn about our other apps.
Okay, so if you want to find out more about their other games, you can tap here.
Version 1.0.4. Display list of apps on startup. Now it is on.
Like what I said at the start of this podcast, you can disable or enable this setting.
Visit our blog, blindfoldgames.org.
Okay.
Follow us on Twitter, @blindfoldjames. Post your comments at applevis.com.
Yes, you can post your comments at AppleVis for this podcast as well if you have any questions.
Send an email to us. Audio game. Send an email to us.
Okay, so if you have any problems about this game or any of their games, you can also send an email right from the app to them and they'll get it.
Audio game logo. Audio game logo.
Okay,
Settings.
let's go
Heading.
back a little bit. I think I skipped something.
Done. Game settings.
Okay,
Heading.
the game settings.
Seconds before applause begins. Now it is 2.
Seconds before applause begins, and mine is set to 2. This means that the duration of time that you need to wait before you hear an applause to start the fireworks, this you can set.
Game settings. Done. Settings.
Okay, let's
Heading.
come out of this.
Done. Button. Blindfold Fireworks menu. Start. Blindfold Fireworks
Okay,
menu.
so let's start the game now. Before I do the fireworks, I'm not sure if this is supposed to happen or if there's a bug or something, because sometimes when I'm doing the fireworks, the phone would vibrate. Probably because of maybe the fireworks could be over or something, or if I'm not doing it too long enough. So I hope that the vibration does not affect the recording. So let's start the fireworks. And when I'm actually doing the fireworks, I won't be talking too much because you won't be able to hear me, and there's nothing really much to say while the fireworks is going on. So I'll just do some gestures, then I'll do a few minutes of fireworks, and then we'll be done.
Blindfold. Start game. Button.
Let's start game.
Start game.
Wait for the applause. Okay, so that is what I was talking about. So let's swipe up with one finger. Okay, so if you swipe up with one finger, you get a short whistle rocket launch. Let's swipe down with one finger. And what I said previously, this one is longer, so you get a longer. Wow, those people are excited. You get a longer rocket whistle launch if you swipe to the left with one finger. Okay, so that's a sparkler. And one thing I'd wish is that if you keep doing it, that not only one, but we can get a lot of sparklers lit like this. If you do it, and if you do it again, it's the same sparkler being lit. If you want to put it out, you swipe to the right with one finger. You keep doing it until you hear the water sound. That means that it goes into a bucket of water. Okay, now let's swipe down with two fingers. Alright, when you swipe down with two fingers, you get fireworks from 2 minutes to, if I'm not correct, 2 minutes to maybe even 15 minutes of fireworks, okay? So, let's tap the screen with one finger. When you tap different parts of the screen, you can explore it and you would hear different types of fireworks. So, let's tap in the middle of the screen. Okay, so that was a little one. Somewhere else. Okay, maybe the same thing. Okay, that's a different type. Okay, this is just... Right. So if you tap on different sections of the screen, you can get different types of fireworks sounds. So now I'm just gonna do a few minutes of the fireworks and then we'll end. Let's swipe up with 3 fingers.
Exclamation point going back to main menu.
Before I go, one thing I'd like to see in this game also is that we get snappers. You know, those things that you throw and you hear the pop pop noise. Yeah, that would go well with fireworks. So that's the end of this podcast. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. You can also use the contact form. My Facebook friends know where to find me.
This podcast has been brought to you by the AppleVis community. For the latest in resources and tips and tricks to help you get the best from your Apple device, visit us online at www.applevis.com.